All right, let's talk about how to strum the ukulele. And typically a pick is not used. Okay? Now, can you use a pick? Absolutely, you can use a pick. In fact, I'm going to grab one off of my table. Excuse me for bending over there. And I'm playing with a pick. So can you use a pick? Yes, you sure can if you want to. That's another great thing about the ukulele is that there are really not a lot of hard and fast rules with this instrument. It's about having fun. It's about getting involved in music and enjoying yourself. So there's not a lot of hard and fast rules. If it works for you, do it. Another thing, in our course, in the ChordBuddy ukulele course, you will be strumming all 4 strings at the same time. So there won't be an instance that you will only strum the bottom 2 or the bottom 3 or just 1. You will be strumming all 4 strings all the time, which is different than in our ChordBuddy guitar course. You have to, on certain chords, you have to strum only certain strings. Not the case with the ChordBuddy ukulele course. Okay, so do you want to strum with your thumb? You want to strum with your fingers? Doesn't matter. It's whatever you want to do. But let me just show you how to do each one. If you're going to strum with your thumb, you're going to strum with the inside fleshy part right here. And it's sort of like turning a doorknob. See? Think about it like that. You're going up to a doorknob and you're going to turn it with your wrist. Same thing. Turn the doorknob and let the outside part of your thumb, this part here, strum the strings. Okay? Now, if you're going to strum with your finger, what you want to do is crook your finger just a little bit and then lay your thumb on top of it, like that. In this way, you're strumming with actually a part of your fingernail, okay? Part of your fingernail. See? And to be honest, it's almost like you're holding a pick. You hold a pick in the same similar fashion than that, but instead of a pick, you're using the nail of your finger as a pick. Now that will give you a little more percussive sound than the thumb. Hear how that's softer? Quite a bit of difference there. That's soft. Now using my finger, it's a little brighter, a little more percussive. So it's up to you. All right. So that's how to strum the instrument.